So we learn from this hadith, ikhwani, is the talqeen to prompt the person is before death, not after death. So any people who goes to the grave after the person is buried, and then you start making this talqeen, that's a bid'ah. You know, we don't know if you've seen it or you heard about it. It's just some sheikh, they come to his grave and they would say to him, oh, so-and-so, he's dead already. So-and-so, if the two angels come to you and ask you, who's your Lord, say, Allah. If they're going to ask you, who is your prophet, then say, Muhammad. And if you ask you, what's your deen, say, Islam. MashaAllah. So they cheat, like cheating him. So they think that this person who's dead is able to hear and is able to respond to what he is being prompted with. No. He's dead. أفضى إلى ما قد قدم. خلاص, he finished what he's been doing. He can't do anything after that. So whatever he's going to be asked in the grave, that's for the grave life. It's not for the outside life. When there is no connection. And whatever he's going to respond with, he's going to respond with what he had been doing in this life. He's not going to be doing something that he never done. So he never said, La ilaha illallah. So we could just go to a kafir person. If the two angels come to you, say to them, I'm a Muslim. It doesn't work like that. He has finished now his life. So I don't know if you have seen some of those people like Sufis, they do that in the graves. Have anybody seen that? Yeah. Kalima la ilaha illallah. He's dead, akhi, he can't hear you. ما أنت بمسمع من في القبور. You're not going to make these people in the grave to be able to hear you. They are dead. SubhanAllah, they passed to another life. It's called the barzakh life. But their soul is away from their body. That's called death. So this is the first thing that we learn. It is that La ilaha illallah is to be said to the person to prompt him before he died. Number two, we also learn that this La ilaha illallah, we should be keen to observe it all the time. We know that Islam fights the people for La ilaha illallah. They fight the people for the kalima. So let you observe this kalima. And also it is the reason for happiness in this life and happiness in the hereafter. You just say La ilaha illallah.